Understanding the phrase, home free. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the English phrase, home free. Have you ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it. Home free has both a literal and figurative meaning. 1. Literal meaning. This phrase can be used to describe someone who is almost home after a journey. They have passed all the difficult or dangerous parts and are now in a safe or familiar territory. It's like being very close to reaching your home without any obstacles left in your way. 2. Figurative meaning. In a broader sense, home free describes a situation where someone has faced all the main challenges or obstacles and is now on an easy path to complete a task or achieve a goal. It means you're close to success and there's nothing significant to stop you. Understanding any phrase becomes easier with examples. Let's look at some. 1. Literal context. Once we cross this bridge, we'll be home free and only 10 minutes away from our house. 2. Figurative context. I've completed the hardest parts of the project. I just have to submit it now. I'm home free. Sometimes, learners might think, home free means being free from home or responsibilities. But remember, it's about being close to achieving a goal or reaching a place without any more major challenges in the way. So there you have it. Now you know that home free is all about nearing completion or success, be it reaching your home or accomplishing a task. It's a beautiful phrase that captures the relief and joy of overcoming challenges. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and we encourage you to incorporate home free into your daily conversations. Happy learning!